Greetings. The objective for this session is for you to take the game, the general game, and change the sprites so the game start looking as you want. You are going to use your sprite, the sprite you designed, and you're going to put it in the game. For that, you need to share the pictures among the group, turn it into the appropriate format, and then take it to Gamemaker. Right now, after the review, we have a game with all the sprites, all the objects, and 3 rooms. We have corrected the mistakes, and we have created a new room. Now, we are going to start changing the sprites so the game looks like what you decided. So what we are going to do is to change the player sprite, for example, and we are going to add the new sprite. I want you to notice that the sprite or the picture needs to be in the appropriate format, which is BMP, GIF, JPG, or PNG. For you, those of you who designed the sprite outside of Inkscape, the picture must be in that format, and I think it's normal that the picture is in those formats. And right now I'm going to explain how to translate a picture from Inkscape, or how to convert, or how to export, so it has the appropriate format. First, I open Inkscape, and I go to Archivo, Recent, Open Recent, and I have my Pink Panther, which is the example I use to show you how to draw in Inkscape. The procedure is very easy. Archivo, exportar imagen PNG. I select a path. I'm saving all the things from Gamemaker here. So I choose that path, and then I click export. And that's all. I'm going to repeat. Archivo, exportar. It's very important to select the path, the appropriate path. It's okay because everything I'm working is here. I click save, but I need to also click export. I'm going to replace it. It's the same picture. And that's all. Once I have the picture in the appropriate place, I open my game. I double click in the sprite I want to change. I load the new sprite. I look for it. For me, it will be, as an example, the Pinky Panther. I'll open it, and I first see that it's very big. So I need to edit it. First, I'm going to do a little crop. I don't want the margin, and it's okay. And also, I click in transform, stretch. I don't want to keep the aspect ratio. I want it to be exactly 64 by 64. I also want to erase the white color. So I click in erase a color. This is not mandatory, only if you want. And I see that it's a little like not what I decide. So I'm going to erase some parts of my picture, and that's all. This is like a paint. You can draw things here. It's okay. And as you see, as I change the sprite, it will change in the object and also in the level. Here, I need to make sure that the origin of the sprite is 0 and 0. Everything is okay, and that's all. Now, you have to share the pictures among the group, so you change all the pictures you need in the game. I know that you might have created pictures that are not already used. So right now you just like create a sprite for those pictures that we will be using in the near future. Remember, resources, create sprite. For example, is BR enemy, and I just load the sprite and put it in the appropriate format and size.